Allora, salve a tutti ragazzi e benvenuti. Oggi una puntata speciale. Andremo in un posto veramente fantastico, la perla della Sicilia. Non vi svelo niente e quindi vi farò vedere dove stiamo andando. A dopo. Eccoci appena arrivati a Taormina. Andiamo a scoprire la nostra location. Siamo in compagnia della nostra ballerina e qui fanno yoga. Ragazzi, siamo per adesso alla villa di Taormina.
Say you really go poor like me. Don't believe in nothing but the Almighty. Just a white tracksuit and some bright yellow kicks. He never did forever be nobody husband, yeah. You not pendeza but your heart is a mix. Play it like a smart one cause it's cutting away. Tonight I'm walking away. 9 to 5 mind on the grind, yeah, yeah. Tonight I might fall in love, depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm coming down. Can't let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love. He's fighting but falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember what I say. Oh, African queen, you're beautiful.